Hi, my name is Shun Kwan, and this is my partner and I statics determinant problem. My partner's name is Mike Roberts, and he's our recorder today. So for our problem, we have two steel slabs sandwiching an aluminum slab. So in order to make this a simple statically indeterminate problem, we have to impose two conditions. The first condition is that when P is compressing onto these three slabs, the deformation that occurs on these two steel slabs and the aluminum will be the same. The second condition is that in between steel and aluminum, the interface over here actually has a tiny gap. If there is no gap, there would be actually extra shear stress along this interface. So we don't want to, that would overcomplicate this problem. So before we get started with the force equilibrium, the force displacement, and the compatibility equations, the elastic modulus for aluminum, for steel, the thickness, the width, and the load are specified and unknown. So looking at this interface, we can write out a force equilibrium where Fs over here is the force coming from the steel, and Fa is the reaction coming from the aluminum. So we can write out this equation, Fs over 2 plus Fs over 2 plus Fa minus P equals to 0, which simplifies down to Fs plus Fa equals to P. So from here we can see that P is known, but Fs and Fa are unknown. So this is a statically indeterminate problem. Secondly, for the force displacement, we can write out that the deformation for steel is Fsls over 2ESAS. The reason there's 2AS over here is because there are two cross-sectional area. And we can do the same thing for aluminum. It will be FALA over EAAA. And since the T and W are the same, the cross-sectional area for one slab for the aluminum and the steel will be the same, while the length of the aluminum slab and the length of the steel will also be the same. As we can see right now, we still cannot solve this problem as Fs and Fa are still unknown. But with the help of the compatibility equation, we can do it. And at the start of this presentation, we said that when P is compressing down on the slabs, they have equal deformation. So we can write delta S equals delta A. So right now, we can substitute 2A and 2B into equation 3 over here. And once we simplify it down, we can write Fs in terms of Fa and Fa in terms of Fs. So once we get these two equations, which Fs is 2Fa over ESEA, and Fa is EAFS over 2ES, we can substitute equation 4a into 1, and we manage to get this solution over here. As you can see, Fa equals to P over 2ES plus 1. And since P, ES, and EA are known, we can actually solve what Fa is. Same thing goes for Fs. In the end, after substituting 4b into 1, we actually get P divided by 1 plus EA over 2ES. And that concludes our statically indeterminate problem. Thank you.